Ladies and gentlemen, this bantamweight contest is scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. Introducing first your fighter in the blue corner with a record of 2 victories and 6 defeats. Let's hear it for Paulo Oliviera. As opponent standing across the cage in the red corner, making his professional debut. Let's hear it for Zach Fry.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, cage doors set to close on another pro MMA bout. Paulo Oliviera is fighting out of the blue corner. He's in the white shorts with black trim and yellow gloves. And he takes on pro debut Zach Fry from the Northwest Fight Academy. I haven't got my notes in front of me because the internet's not working, but I'm pretty sure it was an 11-5-1 amateur career for Zach. Wow. So he gets himself about, fought all sorts of competition, and now he gets an experienced Brazilian for his first pro bout.
From Brazil to Bolton.
Hey, well. Bolton,
hey, beautiful.
Bolton, that's where everybody is, isn't it? It's the center of the universe, certainly tonight.
Yeah, tonight it is. It's only because you and me are here.
Amen, brother. Fry already working behind that range. You can see he's got a bit of, again, a little bit of size on it, a little bit of length on his opponent. But happy to work at distance.
Oh!
It's done! It's over! Zach Fry, pro debut, stunning finish!
Two seconds of round number 1. Your winner via TKO, Zach Fry.